Yo, can you hear me? Yeah, I can. Who are you talking to? The top skis? I'm short in gold. My entry is 40, 51, and 4. Here, let me share my screen. I'm bre- I'm break even right now too. Hell yeah.
You're the king of gatekeeping. You are the gatekeeping, Mr. 50K.
Yeah, fucking not a girl, the gatekeeper. No, not the gatekeeper girl.
They shorted at 40.51. It's already at. Okay,
Yeah,
so
40, 51, and 4. I'm debating if I should just put my stop loss where it was or just leave it at break even. Just because I wouldn't like. That's what I wouldn't like to see is for it to recover all the way back up there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna share my screen late night session as well. You guys can take a look at the algo. So let's see what we have here. So you have 1.4, 1.42. Okay, order block right there. Um, can I go back up? Yeah. Is it? It's well kind of below the 20 EMA. Let's see. Why the hell is the VWAP never fucking on this? I always have to hit it. That pisses me off. Alright. Did it not get put on? Way below the VWAP. Let's see. Don't want that green VWAP, so we're gonna change that.
So my main target would be the previous day low at 40.35 flat.
How much did you make today, not a girl?
Two combines.
Okay, how many do you, so I'm assuming you're out of funded, so okay, so you passed two combines, you made 700 on both. Okay. Nice. I have 7 XFAs basically, but 5 I'm not touching because I'm why?
Yeah, but why would you not touch them?
Yeah. Aiming for a max pay. I'm in short and gold. Okay, well it is heading back up, so I want to see, like, my only main concern for this is that it will pop back up to the 59 level, but we'll see. It keeps rejecting off the 20 EMA, but I'll see it right here. Honestly,
Yeah,
if the candle closes above the 20 EMA, I would hop out. But we'll see. I haven't hopped in yet just because of this right here, and I kind of after starting to really understand futures and how futures work and how gold works and operates, like it always does this bullshit. So I've kind of been more patient, and even though I'm not have passed, these combines, but I'm trying to kind of not just YOLO every time and just say, oh, it's another $50 rather than also take the educational route with it. Wow, that kind of really gapped down. Damn, you guys see that? You see that gap right here? Wow, what a huge gap. 47 all the way to 46. So yep, it looks like it is gonna break.
yeah. I entered this short off this level because we are in we dipped into a fair value gap and then it rejected pretty crazy, and then the following candle did not break the high, and then it ended up rejecting here. So that was the entry at the break of this low. That was my entry, and then now I want to see if we can get to this level.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can get the follow through. I mean, that was a momentum play, so that's why I went break even, because usually after a nice little drop like that, me personally, I don't want to see it go back up, and you know, I don't think this one needs to be a loser at all. So
And just to kind of understand your perspective and style. Oh, okay. You took shorts here.
yep.
Why not take them, let's say, and like I said, I'm not questioning you or anything. I'm just trying to understand, like what your thought process is as a trader. I see rejection once, rejection twice, rejection third time. And obviously it's easier to talk about this when the move has happened with like any other trade. But why not, let's say, like take it right here?
I would if I were to. You could. Here, I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
If I were to enter this here now, this has yet to break the candle low of this one. If anything, it basically just
Okay.
matched it. So if we see, like if I'm looking to enter it now, this is happening as we speak.
Mm-hmm.
I would put my order right there. And look, it's about to stop me out. So if I was going to enter
Yeah.
this, I would put my sell stop at right there. Because for all we know, the
Mm-hmm.
way gold moves, it could literally just go all the way back up here and just completely change the whole trajectory. Like on the book map right now, all these buyers are stepping in. If it's going to fail, it's going to add me into this trade. So that's what it will look like. If that wasn't
Yeah.
there, this would be there, my limit sell. So if it fails, it's going to trigger me in. I'm in the trade, and now I put my stop loss where my entry is right now.
Mm-hmm.
So catching momentum is the way I enter my trades at these breaks.
Mm-hmm.
I missed it completely, but I would have gone for it right here. Look, same thing. This red candle where my little drawing is very similar to up here.
Yeah.
And on top of that, plus add the VWAP projection.
Mm-hmm.
Add the
Yeah.
VWAP
So
projection
now
right
it.
there. That would have been a solid entry, way better entry. But I'm late to it, so I'm trying to get what I can.
So where's your stop loss going to be at this? So it hit the 50, rejected.
So if my entry gets triggered, my stop loss will be where my entry is. So that's going to be 40, 51, and 4.
Okay.
Because now, and that's simply because we are breaking out of this support right there.
Yeah.
That's the support that we're breaking through. So if we just come back into that range, I could see it, potentially going all the way to VWAP again. That's going to be more. That move is going to be too much for me to stay into it. I'm not going to let this turn into a loser. That's all.
Yeah.
But buyers look like they want to take it up higher, dude. It does not look like they want to.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that little open. So let's see some follow through with this little move.
Yep. Use a restroom. I'll be right back, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, who knows, dude? I mean, it's a little bit late. I'm break even now. That was a solid little push. And like again, like after a push like that down, yeah, I'm out. After a push like that, I don't want to see it do this. I don't want to see it do that. Because at that point, if we're gonna catch momentum, then I want to see it flush at that point. Because that's a momentum candle to the downside, and so I just didn't want to like let that, test my stop loss like earlier. Tony EMA.
Yep, I come back and I see this fuckery. So I'm assuming you got stopped out, right? Hello? You guys hear me? This is the type of shit. This is the type of shit why I did not get into a short, just kind of knowing gold and how gold acts. I knew it would do this shit. I knew it. Oh shit. I almost slipped on the desk. We down or are you guys down?
I can hear you. I just had to put the baby to bed.
Oh my bad. Yeah, like dude, like this is why, and not a girl, and I am following my own advice. It's just that I don't think it's necessary to whatchamacallit, to spend that much time. Yeah, I'm not trying to, like, I'm trying to pass this by Sunday, but this combine that I'm at was actually at 4200 or 4289, so it was pretty much blown. This morning I took a trade and I took it all the way to 50,000. Let me actually check what the account's at. All the way to $50,948. So I was like, now that's a fucking comeback.
Yeah, that is, dude. It's badass. Okay,
so I'm just trying to.
So look, if it's just how you were asking me, I'm just gonna go for it here again. But I'm gonna enter the way I just explained to you what I would do in that scenario.
Yeah.
So my stop limit, my sell order is at 40, 45, and 5. So if it's going to fail, and that was just a bullshit candle, if I never moved my stop loss, my stop loss was right here at 40, 58, and 5.
Okay.
That's where my original stop loss was. So if I never moved it, I would have still been in this, but I did not want to let it do that. So I'm chilling. And then at this point, if it's really going to fail, it's going to put me back in, and then I'm going to risk 8 points. She's 3 months old. Dude, but what? Talk about a comeback. That's dope.
Yeah, man, like sometimes it's not about just passing a combine, but also saying like, hey, can I actually make it out of this hole by making the right trade and, you know, executing at the right time. So, but
Yeah, I feel it. Look at what NQ ended up doing. I told you I was trying to short it earlier, and then it didn't. But now it just the move that I wanted
so
to see happened.
so I saw something today on Instagram, not the reels, whatever it's called, the threads or whatever you guys call it. Dude, SPX Lotto's $300 contract today on SPY. Every contract today was worth $11,000. So imagine flipping $300 to $11,000 per contract, and it was on somebody's watch list. And I think it got an engagement about like 50 to 100,000 views, but sometimes it doesn't hurt. But can you imagine if you had 10 cons and you just held it? Like,
Yeah,
there had to be something today that, yeah, now look at this. Now we could be making the move up. Now what you really want to see now if it's gonna reject.
Yeah, this is too far of a push up now. So I'm just gonna cancel this. No, I'm just watching.
Yeah, so Koi, I'm gonna tell you. So Koi, I'm gonna teach you one thing in trading 101 right here, guys. So kind of take an alert. So right now, and I took this QQQ call earlier when I called it out. So this is what I was seeing right here on my screen when I called out the QQQ and ended up being a losing trade, but I cut my stop loss so quickly. So here's the thing. We have an order block right here. We have an order block right here. And this order block is obviously from my algo. And I normally don't share this screen when I day trade with you guys just because the screen would be too fuckery. But I know right here, this is an order block. So I mark this out right here. So this is what I do, okay? This is trading 101. Like, if I want to take my call, hypothetically, okay? If this is options, futures, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to take your call, you can enter right here. And if it, and I would take the chance of like, okay, getting up. As soon as this right here gets broken and comes trending down, I cut the trade right away. I cut the trade faster than your ex-girlfriend. You get out right away, because if this doesn't break right here, you get out. So sometimes when I play SPY or QQQ, and I'm betting, like I'm kind of betting that this is going to get broken because these contract prices would just go through the roof. I'm talking like 30, 40 cents, which is $30, $40 a contract. I'm betting, but as soon as it gets rejected and does not go, I cut the trade right away. So right here, the algo is telling you that you would enter the trade here and you would target TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4. Like I said, though, I don't typically use the algo when I live trade because the algo can not be right, and it's like a 50-50. I actually did dump my ex quick, and she was annoying as fuck. When I see that scenario, I'm a call it Christy. Yeah, so Right now, the algo is telling me, okay, this is a buy, but you have to know that the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour is still bearish. You have the 4 hour and the 1 day that is bullish. So we look overall here. Now, knowing gold that this could just start coming down. So typically, in trading 101, you would take the call. If you want to be safe, you would take the call above your order block. Needs to break above. Candle needs to close above, and then you can go. Now, let's say now you took your call. Let's say this thing goes now all the way down. The algo would be wrong. Algo would be wrong. Even though it told you a buy, the 5-minute is still bearish, 15, 30, and 1 hour. That's why you don't rely on algo for trading, and you have to rely on your own TA and the technical analysis. You only use your algo as a bias and to know where the charts are heading, but never rely on an algo. Hopefully that kind of makes sense to you guys. So like I said earlier today, we had this QQQ call, kind of same setup like this. It didn't break here. As soon as I saw that it started rejecting, I cut that loss super fast. So algo really just kind of helps me with the order blocks, and that's pretty much it. I really don't use it that much. So, but told me here we had more buyers and sellers. This level we had more buyers and sellers. But you kind of get the general idea is now when you kind of start to look back, and I kind of go like this, because it is important that you guys need to kind of start seeing overall pictures rather than just hopping in and out. Now when I kind of look back a couple days, I know that okay, this is our base right here. We have a base that we've been bouncing off of right over here.
Okay, like, is gold rejecting here again? Is that what's
I
going
don't know.
on
I'm
now?
so okay. Now when I see how easy it is to scroll and kind of look at the overall picture, and I have these drawn out. You see, it's hit these targets every single time. What is that target? 38. 38 level bounce, 38 level bounce, 38 level bounce, 38 level bounce. Sometimes you really have to just to zoom out, and sorry that I'm on the laptop, to really start, looking at the overall trend. It's failed to break this price point right here at 131. For the cup to close, and if you guys attend my morning sessions, I always tell you cups, inverse cups, and normal cups. For the cup to close, you need to look at the overall picture. So we have a cup. It needs to close above. Hasn't done that yet. We're going like this. Wants to bounce up and then kind of go all the way down. This is just TA 101 that you guys need to start investing in learning. You need to start looking at overall pictures. This cup needs to close. Okay, needs to close up. Need the cups to close right here. And I always talk about this in options trading. This needs to close. This hasn't closed. No bueno. Sometimes you really just need to zoom out and kind of know the direction that you're trading and why you're trading it, if that makes sense. Remove 31 drawings. Shit, I did not want to remove those boxes. What do I do? Control. Someone told me this. Control Z.
For what? What are you trying to do?
I want to undo what I just did because I didn't want to delete those boxes.
It should be Command Z. Yep.
Command Z. Command Z. Control Command Z. Nope.
One of those. What's the other button? I got my laptop here with me. Let me look.
Okay, it's
A little cup in handy. Dude, all I know is that some people that start chatting up in the chat, they start coming up with like these bullish Harmozy, bullish ninja stars that I've never ever heard of.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is Command Z. It is gonna be Command Z.
It didn't work for me.
That's weird. Okay, well, as things sits right now, it does not want to go lower. Buyers are in control by barely. So I don't know. So same scenario we've been dealing with is like if we go for buys, if VWAP is in a way. And earlier I tried a short just off of VWAP, so it's worked. I don't know if I want to go against it this time.
Literally, we've been trading up, down, and even right here. We have our high right here. We have a lower high. Same high rejected. Lower high, lower high, lower high. You would expect this selling channel now, right? This is the channel that you have.
Dude, Lousy, you've been killing it, dude. You're up like $800 the last few days.
Oh yeah, he's really been killing it. I'm actually really proud of him.
Let's go. What? How?
What? Lousy. Womp womp womp. Where's our thing?
What about you, Erica? You're how's the fresh XFA?
Is Erica in here?
Yeah. She just got
Erica's another
XFA
girl. So we have
this weekend.
3 girls: Erica, Jen, and Jenny. Erica's an XFA.
She got the fun skis, so.
Erica, was I the one who passed you? Be honest. Be honest, Erica.
XFA, not yet. Not yet, my friend. Okay, so let me ask you, if he has a bad track record. Wait, hold on. You're confusing me now. Are you following him or is he following your trades? Koi. But he's been blowing your stuff. That's funny. It sounds like you're talking about save a port. Save my port, Koi. What were you trading, Erica? Gold or NQ? Nice. Yeah, gold. Gold is magical when it goes your way, but okay, buyers are still here for gold, so my only thing is that if this doesn't want to go up the way it seems that it does, it's going to go for previous day low.
And that is what, Thursday? Today's Thursday.
That's going to
be.
be.
So now we're looking at this level, 4,000. pretty much 4001.
Oh yeah, that's actually very true. That's a big psychological level, so that could play as a magnet. That's
Yeah.
very true. So these big round numbers are usually magnets. So that's gonna be the level I'm gonna have that on. So yeah, I mean, if my setup appears for a long and it just happens to fail, which I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna look for a short at the VWAP. I think this time that's what I'm gonna do.
You see how zooming in helps zooming out. Zooming in, zooming out. Zooming out.
Because the bigger time frames, it looks bearish as hell. Like there's no, yeah, we might get a bounce. I just don't know how far up. It might just be to the VWAP and then that's it.
But, but here's the thing. So here's the thing. What you guys have to realize. So based on technical, based on TA now, strictly TA. It doesn't even matter what the fuck we're trading. NQ, gold, whatever. I would not take a call here. I would not take a call. Why? Because you literally have two scenarios based on the chart right here. We're not going to just be taking things just to be taking things, because this can go like this here.
Mm-hmm.
And after, respect that trend line that I have drawn, and then go all the way down here. And then your second scenario would be that it goes back here. It's the trend line, and then go up here. So right here, this play, 50-50. Either going to take you to this trend line or take you to this trend line. So you're kind of in no man's land when you're playing these levels right here. Am I right or am I right?
You are right.
So that's why it's very important, guys, to stay patient. Don't FOMO.
Patience, patience, patience. I mean, Cole, you saw it earlier. The difference is night and day from overnight session to New York. Earlier was a freaking roller coaster.
And here's the thing, guys. I always say this. I say this in the morning session. Trading is very, very boring. Very boring trading. And, you know, when you see yourself, you want to take a call, or shorts or long, puts, whatever you want to call them, and you know it's not a perfect trade, do something to distract yourself. So maybe start doing push-ups, start doing squat airs, do something. You know, if you need to smoke a cigarette and just look, do that. If you want to have a movie in the background, do not take something unless it's an A+ setup. And that's why people lose, man. There's no patience. They just FOMO. You have to wait. You just have to wait. You have to actually channel yourself to be a snake and just wait to attack. Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm looking at the book map here. There's some heavy size on 4010. So yeah, I think if the setup aligns, taking a short to grab those orders is not a bad idea. Yeah. And I think that volatility might come for London. So we'll see.
And I'm staying up for London tonight, by the way.
Say that again?
At 8 o'clock. So I said I'm staying up for London, and then at 8 o'clock I have to address the whole chat about their stop losses, because, dude, I have over 100 messages of people just messaging me. I'm like, I'm just going to all this into one message live tomorrow at 8. People not respecting stop losses, people averaging down way too much. You're not staying, Doc? Oh, I'm gonna be staying, but I actually have a meeting with China here in 4 minutes. I have a phone call with China. It should last just about a half an hour. For the diaper business. China, yeah. I have my second business is I have a diaper factory.
Hey, what?
Diaper factory in Syria. Yeah, purchased this summer. I purchased it.
A diaper company?
Yep. I have a diaper company. Yeah.
How? Like, how'd you end up in that?
So, not a lot of people know this, but like I kind of come from like a really wealthy family,
Yeah.
and um, I have so if you guys can imagine like a Target or a Walmart, um, I we had this business that was abandoned or whatever, and I'm just like, why are we not doing anything with this? And one guy comes up to me, he's like, why don't we just flip it into a factory? It's literally just an open building. It used to be like a bakery where they would like make breads and like ship them out to like different countries and stuff in the Middle East. And I was like, diapers. I was like, I have like no idea how diapers or anything. And the guy was like, oh, it's super easy. You'll make a lot of money. And I was like, dude, I don't know nothing. Long story short, this guy, he's also multi millionaire. He's like, you have the space for it, don't sell it, and we'll just get the equipment and we'll start mass producing all of Syria, and then you can capitalize on everything. I was like, okay, dope. Long story short, they brought in all the equipment in the warehouse, fixed it up, yada yada yada, and I talk with China now because like there's like some parts that we need or whatnot. So yeah, there's
Nice.
over so I oversee about I think not me the guy who's running it, but I think there's about 3 to 4 thousand like factory workers that just like working on diapers, shipping, and all that stuff. So yeah,
That's crazy,
diapers,
dude.
everybody needs diapers.
That's crazy.
No, am I selling them for? No, bro. It's the Middle East. So the second business that I want to get into is the cement business, where that is like my second project that I would like to get into. Is if I can capitalize on diaper, cement, and the third would be because the cement business would be I would can control all of the real estate. My family comes from a really wealthy real estate family, both my dad and my mom. So if you ever go to Syria, you will actually see my last name on maybe on like 90% of the buildings because both my grandparents, they worked for the government and they were engineers and architects. So yeah.
That's
I
nuts.
can't share what my last name is, but you have to go to Syria and then you'll see it on half of the buildings.
He said, "What's your last name?"
Can't give you my government name.
Okay, so in NQ, there's some size at 24,700, but where we are now, I don't think we're gonna see that at all tonight.
Yeah.
I'm still bearish, but
Mhm. Ice Bag is that in the middle, and so Syria, it was in a civil war for the past 12 years, so trading didn't exist. They didn't know what forex and stuff. Now all that is opening up, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to create a prop firm over in the Middle East
prop firm,
and then just capitalize on everything. That'd be something very lucrative, which will
we
pay you a lot of money.
we can start one with Raja Banks
Mm-hmm.
with Dominion funding.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of scared of long NQ.
Let's take a look. Yeah, so you're everything is bearish, bro, besides the 5 minutes. You would literally need to break this order block.
Yeah,
If you're gonna enter, you would enter now. Even the algo is telling you it needs to break this order block right here. You'd need to break this, and you'd be safe for NQ. So you would literally need to break out of this zone.
yeah. If we do some magical recovery tomorrow for Friday, it would be in New York. For tomorrow, dude. Okay, let's see. So for tomorrow, I mean, just based off like last week when I started to, live stream, I started pointing out that on the daily, when we start to sweep these lows, like these relevant lows or highs, but in this case, the way it's been looking like and acting this past week, it's been lows. So like for this one, we swept this low here, and look at that pump. When we sweep these relevant lows or highs, there's a lot of liquidity on the higher time frames. So this, I could break it down like, and I did. There's early TA that I posted of why I would have entered this. But anyway, it did it here. And then for this low, it was swept here. And you can see this fat wick up. And then, it ended up just doing other stuff. But nonetheless, on those specific days, we got this big run after sweeping these relevant lows. And even here, there was these equal lows, 2 main lows that were swept here. And I remember this day, it went up, but it just went down. I think the same day, because the same daily candle. But then the next day ended up staying above it. But obviously, I honestly don't even know what happened today of why we even dumped 1,000 points. But the point is that for the specific day, we got a mean run up. So what that says to me, as of right now, if I were to just play it off of what's been happening after sweeping these lows, we are sweeping this one, and we are currently above it. It opened below, and we are currently trading above it. So this is my only reason why I would be bullish, is because of that relevant low and what we've seen the last 2 weeks after sweeping these relevant lows. So I would not be surprised if I will not be surprised if we see some push up tomorrow. Because one thing I know for sure is after today, when we see a fat drop like this, I'm already seeing everybody like talking about, oh, tomorrow's gonna keep going, and it could. But one thing I do know for sure is that when everybody is talking about one obvious move, the market tends to do the opposite. I've seen that happen a couple of times. I mean, I never capitalized on it, but it's happened. So yeah, that's as simple as that. But the entry, as far as like an entry, I'm not seeing anything, dude. We're just ranging pretty freaking hard. But based off, if all I did was draw one line as of right now, it would be that one. And so far, we opened, I believe this is where we opened, and we ran up, and we're holding above it, and it attempted to just continue going down, but it got bought back up. So we don't know. We're still ranging pretty heavy. Since we've been up here, we've been ranging in a 85 point range. So you can still make money if you're scalping from like the bottom of the range to the top, but who knows when it's going to break out. Yeah, Nvidia rug pulled. So yeah, man, that's what I'm looking at. I'm kind of just letting it print, and if my setup comes up, then I'll take it, you know. Because for all we know too, one last thing that I'll share for this is that, you know, we closed here, and then I'm sure there's people that longed the open. So at some point throughout the night, maybe pre-New York or London even, we might see a push down and grab what's under here, sweep it, and then come back up, and then we can see a setup for a long opportunity. But those are if I were to guess, that would be my guesses of what would happen. But again, we don't know, because the market is still going to do whatever the hell it wants to do. But sorry, one more thing. I just keep flapping my gums. Okay, look. So on the book map here on the left, we see over 100 sell orders at 24,500. Usually, when you see big orders like that and it's a hot level, you know the market runs off liquidity, so it runs off buyers and sellers. So if there's sellers up there, you could only assume that that's where the price is going to go. When? We don't know. Are they going to get pulled? We don't know. Because some people that manipulate these markets, they place a fat order at these levels and then they pull them because they don't want to get filled, but they want to move price. And gold is still in the same exact range. Okay, so the thing about Forex, dude, I don't know. What time zone are you in? Oh man, I don't know what that is. Here, let me look it up. Thank God Google is still free. Let me see. Let me look it up. AEDT. Oh, 11. $4:36 p.m. right now, huh? Okay, so for you, I think 7 p.m. is London. It's 3 hours from me right now, midnight. Yeah, let me look at it. Let me look at it. We got time. No, there's nothing to trade right now. Unless we still look to short, because look, it broke this high below this imbalance, which is respecting it, and then we might see it. Let's see if it goes without us. I'm just gonna watch it. Let me look at this link. Nah, Woos, you didn't miss anything, dude. I wasn't as short, but I got break even on it. Okay, let's see. $3 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, so that's gonna be midnight for me. So yeah, in 3 hours. So for you, it's gonna be like 7, according to this. Um, so I don't know, Lousy. I actually don't even know if you have a if you use TradingView at all. I don't know if you use it, but if you wanna go ahead and do it, or look, oh, you do. Okay, perfect. Okay, so on here, it's actually perfect because I have this, and it gives you these time zones. You can adjust it to your time zone, and it'll adjust to these session opens. So these are the sessions, and these are great to see for potential reversals, because usually, like, again, like above the highs and lows of these session highs and lows, there's a bunch of liquidity. So now that I turn this on, if we do decide to go down and we sweep Asia low, this is where I'm actually expecting to reverse, or at least a reaction, because there's two of them: Asia low, London low. That's double the liquidity down here. And look at it now wanting to go, bruh. So if I never move my stop loss in the first place, I will still be in this. As far as I know, only TradingView, dude. So when you go to TradingView, go to your indicators tab. Let me see. Let me get this. Oh, shoot. It's stuck. Why can't I do it? Okay, let me close it. So if you're ready, I'll show you here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so yeah, if you have TradingView open, go to your indicators, and it's going to be ICT kill zones plus pivots, TFO. That's the one. Yeah, it's good to have just so you can see just so you can see targets, because now that we have this on, look, if we don't even come down here, I mean, this might even be worth a shot of longs, because we have the PM session lows and Asia lows that are lining up exactly, and that's actually where price is holding up. And I didn't know that until I turned this on, so that's why it's good to have. But the range is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, because it isn't until these 4 sessions that they're sweeping each other's. You swept your high up here, you didn't reach Asia high, but you swept your low. This one remained untouched until Asia today. It swept the low. But as far as like if I want to see a bigger move, I think we can go here now. Now that I'm looking at this, I really do think we can reach these. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Anyway, but when you open it, this is where you kind of mess with it. You'll go here, and that's where you adjust it. I mean, the way it's looking like, dude, Koi, it's looking like we're gonna go right here now. Look at it. If I never went break even, I would be seeing this play out for me here. So yeah, I mean, what I'll usually do is I'll just turn this on and then I'll just mark it out. I think I have templates for it. No, I don't. So in that way now it's not so messy and too colorful. I have those levels marked, and now I'm just gonna turn it off, and now I know that this is where we can see price wanting to make those moves down there. Okay, I'm gonna move this stream to my second monitor. 1 second. Sweet. We might even get it right now because we got 15 minutes until a new hourly open. What do you guys think? Should I just go for it? Sellers are increasing. Oh wait, no, this is for IQ. Nah, buyers are still here. Yeah, my entry would have been nice. That's the thing about like having these trades is like with futures, your entry has to be the best possible entry that you could get. Because usually every time I enter, I always risk 8 points. And if I enter now and my stop loss is above this high, now it's over 10 points. That's a lot. Not a lot, but more than I'm willing to risk on one trade. But earlier, my entry was right here. Here, let me see if I can mark it out. My entry earlier, I got stopped at break even. That was my stop was 8 points. Shoot, hang on. It's not letting me. What the heck? It's not letting me move it. Bruh. Eight points and a 2 risk to reward. That would have been that. That looks very possible. So that's the risk right there that I was very happy with, but yeah, look at it go now. Now it wants to go. Nah, I'm gonna let this go. I don't want to chase this at all. Too late for me now. But look at it go. Sellers are about to flip and take control. This level just got hot at 4,041, sorry. If this hits, my confidence is green on the day. Look at her push. This level just got hotter. And you guys are seeing this too here. Like this is how I use the book map. Where price is, when it's hotter down here, it gives me confluence that we're gonna go lower because it's cold up here. Hotter down here, cold up here. There's nothing pulling it up. Ooh. Oh baby, damn, look at it go. Yep. Yeah, it's too overextended for me to get into this. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. My entry was perfect. My stop loss was perfect. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Look at this go. What is this? This is so far this is a 10-point drop. And I don't know if you guys heard me earlier too. I was telling you that it broke this right here and it failed. It flipped red. So we could have taken an entry there too. But like I was telling you earlier that there's a bunch of liquidity under these session lows and stuff, session lows and highs. So I wouldn't be surprised if we sweep these two levels and then immediately start reacting back above. I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. Ooh. Did you guys just see that on the book map? These sellers came in. 100 orders just kicked in. Look at this, bro. This one candle is 10 points alone. Okay, grab one. Let's see what it does here. Orders are still at 4,041. It might come back up here, get these filled, and push a little bit lower. Let's see. You're not listening to Nada Girl? Oh my gosh. That's funny. Look, you made him leave, I think. No, there he is. You're logging here? What did I say? We sweep session low and look at the reaction just off of that. He didn't quite get the second one. I still think he can get the second one. I mean, but we'll see, dude. Look at this reaction, bro. See what I mean, bro? These lows get swept, and look at that. I mean, it doesn't matter, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about this move before you came in here talking about longs. You gave it to everybody. Where? I didn't see a thing. I did not see a thing, bro. I mean, unless somebody else saw the call out before I said it. But this is just a reaction, so let's see if it stays. Because we're right back to where we started. And sure enough, we're going right back down. There's still a second level that didn't get touched. It's top of the hour volatility, by the way, in 2 minutes. And this, I mean, if you guys are watching the book map too, the sellers just flipped it to green. So now the buyers are in control or taking it. Not gay cap this time. 40, just 14 orders. That's not that big. The ones that you really want to pay attention to is these, like down here, 4,010, 140. But gold just does what it wants, bro. Okay, let's see how this hourly just opened. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. And we got VWAP right there. Yeah, 20 points is still fat. Were you still holding that, a girl? What do you guys think? It's gonna flip red? Yeah, it did. Yep. Yeah, I'm still watching, dude. I mean, I'm just watching. That's for sure. That's for sure a scalper's dream right there. From this low, as soon as it touched it, it jumped 25, 26 points. That's nuts. Okay, that's the range I'm looking at. If we get a candle closure above, I'm gonna go for it again. I'm gonna go for another breakout past the VWAP. If we do that, I think we can go to session highs. But if this one closes red somewhere down here, I kind of want to go for a short, but it's kind of risky because, you know, this did push up and then the buyer stepped in. But let's see if the buyers hold. Yes, okay, look. So when it's above, it's a limit sell order. If it's below, it's a limit buy order. So we got 100 and what is this? 110, 140 limit buy. That means that somebody wants to get filled, but that doesn't always mean that's what they want. Sometimes, like I said earlier, that the market moves from liquidity. So when there's big orders like that, you'll see it way more in New York. There's like a bunch of like big old orders. Sometimes overnight you'll see like 800 maybe. Maybe on the NQ or ES, one of those. You'll see big orders. So that means that somebody has big size right there. And like I said earlier, that the market moves off that liquidity. So that means that eventually, you know, price will be gravitated towards that big order because it chases liquidity. That's the whole reason why the market moves. And sometimes they don't want to get filled, so they place it on this because somebody wants it to go lower. But once it gets closer, they pull it. So that means that those orders just disappear, and then this line right here, it just disappears. I don't look at MGC on the book map because the bigger liquidity is on gold. So if I'm looking for MNQ, I'm looking at NQ. I'm not looking at micro. And look at this. There's 304 at 23,500. So keep that in mind because that's a lot. So let's see what we do. If we continue downside, I think that's, I mean, I'm not saying we can get there because again, these can get pulled, but based off today's move, that's not far off. 304 down here. Let's see where that's at exactly. It's on NQ. Yeah, 23,525. You guys see that? But yeah, these things are a lot more obvious and more easier to kind of point out in New York because this thing moves. I mean, you saw, if you were paying attention to the book map in New York, this thing was going nuts. Crazy.
All right, I'm back. What did I miss? Nothing? Oh my god, I was gone and this didn't go up.
It did, yeah.
What?
Yeah, it jumped up.
Did you guys get into anything or no?
No, I wanted the second low to get taken out, but it ended up giving a reaction off the first one. So yeah, not a girl banked.
Why? What do you get into?
Gold longs. Tell him, not a girl.
Not a girl. Talk to me.
Send us a screenshot, bro.
Did gold longs actually bank or no? Are you
Yeah,
guys
dude,
pulling my
it
tail?
jumped 25 points. So okay, look. So if this candle
Hold
right
on.
now,
I'm,
if it closes red,
I'm sharing.
I'm gonna let
Yeah.
I'm gonna let if it closes red, I want to see it wick up, and then when it flips red is my entry. So I want to see it wick up. I'm not gonna enter right away. I wanted to wick up, retest this zone, and then when it flips red, I'm gonna go short, and the only thing in my way is gonna be this support. So if we reach this, I'm going break even.
So where
'Cause
did he take his entry?
Say that again.
Right here? Where did he take his entry? Right here?
He took it at I actually don't know, but it reacted off 4,034 and 3. I don't know his entry. Anyway, but yeah, that's my plan here. This candle closes in 4 minutes, and I'm just gonna go for a short. Because I'm still thinking we reached that second low that it never got to. And I'm gonna be risking 1 micro, 8 points, and that's gonna be $80 risk. An $80 risk.
Mm-hmm. Damn, are we gonna pump it up? Pump it up. How much you make, Not a Girl? How much did you make?
I don't know. I mean, he was just in here. Where'd he go?
I'm gonna stalk Not a Girl, and I'm gonna come to his high school. I'm gonna put him in a locker and steal his phone. Then I'll transfer all the funds to mine.
We're just gonna go to school, shove him in a locker.
I'm gonna literally show up to his school, and he'll know what I look like because he's seen me.
Okay, I'm kind of not liking how far down it's pushing up.
Imagine Dr. Coop shows up to your school and tells the professor or high school teacher, "Shut the fuck up. Get to talk to this kid outside."
But also too, if like I was just talking about earlier, it's a bunch of different scenarios that you can go about this. But like I said, like what if we took an entry at the VWAP retest?
Yeah.
Just respecting it, like it's been respecting it the last couple of days. The first 2 or 3 days, we banked out of a break, but now it's been respecting it pretty heavy.
Yeah. Well, we're still in this downtrend now,
Mm-hmm.
So, do I give you guys a Christmas list now or next week after Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments. Do I give you guys what I want for Christmas this year, like my presents that I need to make the Discord better? Do I give that list now or later?
Oh shoot!
Let me know in the comments.
I'm just not realizing my
Whoever
YouTube
is
streaming my. It's because I'm editing a wedding
it's
video
streaming?
right now, and it's streaming my wedding video. What the heck?
No, bro.
I didn't realize
Take that down.
Hang on.
Take that down.
What the heck? Okay, there we go.
So Wuze, Not a Girl, Musa, Oi, Erica, and Dane. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people in here. So what I'm asking for Christmas, I know you're not Musa, but I'm gonna call you Musa, because you're Arab. So I have to tell you guys something. Dr. Koob's more like Mr. Krabs. So this is really funny. At Koob's, I've assigned everybody a name. Okay? So every person who works for me, I don't call them by their government name. There's 3 names that you get at Koob's. It's either Maria or Orda or Hesna if you're a girl. You get one of these 3 names. And we just go by these names because it's super easy, because half the time we cannot pronounce a lot of people's names. And so growing up, my dad would always tell me, just, don't call them by their biological name. So we've kind of, adopted that over the years, that any person that works for us, we'll maybe just call them even one Arabic name. We'll call them Hesna or something. We'll just like name them. And I don't know, it's just super weird and I never understood why. I don't know why. So that's why I'm gonna call you Musa. Because it says Lauzi Muso, but to me it looks like Musa. If you replace the O with an A, you come from an Arab background. Your dad is cool. Mine calls me Ibn al-Kalb.
It sounds funny. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's see the wake up.
Oh, that's really funny. He's the son of dog, dude. That like my parents. So like actually swearing in Arabic is the swear words in Arabic are like so vulgar. Like when you translate the English, you're like what? But in Arabic, they're super funny. So yeah, that's so funny. No, I'm not gonna teach you guys any bad things, but dude, the way he even spelled it, Ibn al-Kalb. No, I will not teach any bad. I mean, I'm sure you guys know bad word or bad words in Arabic. So, dude, if you say that in Syria, yeah, Ibn al-Kalb, you might actually get shot or like stabbed. Like if you say it to the wrong person. Yeah, Allah yahrak baytak when I was like 28, some crazy crack friend actually said, "Are you serious?" Damn. Yeah, dude. I mean, I grew up in an Arab household, so I know exactly what I mean. Muso, before he says his age, I want to guess his age. Muso, based on the picture he sent last week, I want to say, I'm going to guess his age. I want to say he is 33. 31 because I didn't see any white hairs in his long hair. 30 or maybe 29. But he doesn't live with his parents, takes care of his parents. Oh, 35. I'm 36. I'm probably a lot more immature than you. Okay, wow. So we actually kind of have an older crowd in here. So I'm 36 years old, but my brain developed only till the age of 16. Then I have a body of an 80-year-old. My brain stopped developing after the age of 16. Literally, it stopped developing. How many? Well, show me your play, bro. You don't take screenshots. You don't show it to me live. You don't show me how many minis or micros you took.
I didn't like
Bro,
that
I'm
wig,
not
so I
gonna
didn't enter. Looks like it now wants to break through.
Oh.
Damn.
So you want to enter gold shorts?
I wanted to enter at 4,050 and 4. But I wanted to see a
So
bigger wake up.
4,050 and 4. So 54 is right there. Okay.
I wanted to see a bigger
It's
wake
probably
up.
gonna go down to this level. 37.
And then I would have entered. But look now, I didn't like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, look at the 20 mega goes up, down, come. I mean, dude, these two wicks, like this is just nasty right here, though. If you think about it, like the wicks on this when I'm zooming in.
Okay, what if we? Okay, so the next option here, if we get a close here, I'm gonna look for that. I'm gonna look for that wake. And if I get that, what are the chances that we go all the way to 4,010? So let's just say right here. 36 points.
the algo for you. Let's see what it's telling us. Bookmap and algo.
Ooh.
Remember, guys, you can have all the technology in the world, the
Oh.
algo, the bookmap, and everything. You don't have the fundamentals down, so you won't make a nickel in this market. So algo showing me its tops would be at 4,008. Your 5-minute is turning 15, and oh, actually, gold is semi-bullish. Earlier, it was all red, wasn't it?
Yeah, but after this pump, it kind of adjusted things. But let's see how this goes. Buyers are stepping in. It got hot right
We're
now.
looking. It's a break.
4,041 and 5.
Yeah,
It's getting hot. Hot, hot, hot.
yeah. Now it just reversed to red. I mean, it's a 1-star sell, a 3-star buy here, but maybe we'll start using the algo at entering. I mean, you had to enter at 40.51. I mean, you're kind of like the algo where it triggered it right there.
The alga.
So we
Okay,
could
look,
try.
this is
Yeah,
real
look,
quick.
you said you wanted to enter the 40.50 level. That's where it triggered it. That's
Yeah,
where it said your entry price would be.
I wanted a better wick on that. That's why I didn't get in. But right now, if you
Should
see
we
this,
try-
you see how it just got hot and then it just cuts off? That's because those
Yeah.
orders got pulled, so they're not there anymore.
Yeah. Guys, I'll be back in 1 minute. I'm just gonna go grab a Diet Coke from the fridge because the coffee's done and I need something to drink. I'll be right back.
Dope. I might get something too. Buyers are still here. The hourly looks nasty. Big old inversion right here. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's see if we get those lows taken out that I was talking about. That other one. Get Miranda. What is that? Okay. You soda drink. I never heard of that, dude. The VWAP entry would have been killer. Yeah, I'm gonna go get something. I'll be right back.
All right, guys, I'm back. We got our Diet Coke. We are now getting naked. We're gonna hop into our pajamas, get more comfortable because I'm still in jeans. Why not a Miranda, Doc? Have you ever had a Miranda? Have you actually had that drink? It's so good. It's so good. So I'm going to share something with you guys. Let me know if you guys can all hear me, because I'm about to make a statement right now. Okay?
Turn off this music. I want to hear. Oh, what is it?
Today I had somebody in the Discord. I'm not going to disclose who it is. and they ended up showing me their profits. And this was just through my call outs and live trading. Alone this month, they have made over $35,000 on all my live trades. Strictly told me that they've just been following me in my live trades and technical analysis, and that for the first time after being in so many discords, they are finally profitable. Can you imagine that?
That's badass.
Mm-hmm. So this person, when I saw my phone ringing, I was like, I thought it was an accident or whatever. So they called me again and I picked up. I was kind of busy. And they're like, dude, I just wanted to let you know that what you have done in the live the past 2 months, I've actually become a profitable trader. And I was like, really? I was like, damn. He's like, dude, you kind of changed my life. I was like, oh, I'm really happy to hear that. So make sure you guys are attending live sessions in the morning. You know, you can actually make money. Even if you don't know how to trade, we are here to hold your hand. Oh man, nothing better is than a cold Diet Coke that's just come out of the fridge. Nice and crisp, burns your throat a little bit. Ooh, best.
Yeah.
Best feeling. You like arak? I used to drink it, but not as much. I've actually laid off the sauce quite a bit, to be honest. I think the last time I had a drink was actually in 2021, to be honest. I haven't had an alcoholic drink since then, since 2021.
That's awesome.
You sober as fuck? No, it's no, I mean I can go and have a beer if I want to right now. It's just that the older I got, it's just that the alcohol in the system doesn't process that well, we shall say. But I used to, I never had a hangover. Like never ever in my life had a hangover. I always would have a system where if I got wasted, I would drink a lot of water, pee it all out, and then go to bed, wake up as if nothing happened. No, man, there's something about me. I have self-control a lot. The only control that I haven't had was probably nicotine, cigarettes. But other than that, if it came to like, drugs, alcohol, I always knew what the limit was. And I always would tell myself, this is the limit. I will not go above this or get addicted to this. So even with smoking weed, I haven't smoked weed since 2018 or 2019. It just one day I was like, yeah, I'm kind of over this. Like I kind of grew out of all those things.
Dude, this thing is just not. The whole move is
Not moving,
happening
bro.
before.
No.
No, it's moving,
No.
but it's just moving too much for my liking. Oh my gosh. There it goes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I should have taken the entry up there. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
So my question is, okay, this is on the Express account, right?
No, it's my
Why
my live
not, for
account.
example, your live
Oh
account? So
my gosh.
oh shit.
It's moving, but damn, I missed my entries. Nice. Hell yeah. At least somebody caught it.
Erica, you shorted it and you didn't even mention it to us. I was giving you a life story. Oh, so my algo says now it's a 4-star sell, but obviously it's gonna wick back up. So if you want to actually take an entry, look for a retracement. to look for a retracement of maybe, let's see, 442 to, oh wow, damn. Oh, it's already at 40.
Damn, nice call out.
Erica shorted. Yeah.
Damn. More for her, I guess.
Erica,
More
you didn't even
profits.
tell us
More
you're in it.
profits. No, that's badass. Congrats. I should have taken the entry up there.
Erica
Shoulda,
is the
coulda, woulda.
gatekeeper.
What do you do for work?
My bad, my bad. I'm still at work, so I left the order to work in food business.
Just quit right now.
You're an inpatient pharmacist. Wow. Mm. So we have two doctors in the room now, a real doctor, who's Erica, and a fake doctor.
Well, I knew that low was gonna get taken, but
Get me drugs, Erica. No, she will not get you drugs. She will not prescribe anybody any Adderall who abuses it. Longs do look, actually, not a girl's kind of right here. Longs kind of do look right just based on where we're
buyers
at.
are still here. I mean, the main points that I wanted to get taken got taken. So yeah, I would not be opposed to longs, but buyers are stepping up for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop into longs actually. I'm gonna take a stab at it.
The 30-minute, that does not look bullish as fuck. That looks bearish as fuck. But if you look at the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, the one thing that I'm gonna wait for is for this to get inversed. I'll get in long if it inverses.
Let's see. I want to see what it does. Oh shit, I'm on the 5 minute. What the fuck am I doing? Guys, talk to me here. Tell me, Coobs, you're on the 5 minute. Shit, from 26.
There's no way you look at this candle that just closed and you think, yeah, I'm along this thing. There's no way you think, yeah, I'm gonna go long.
Where did you long it at? The 25 level, not a girl? All right, I'm long. Let's.
I'm waiting for that inverse. If that happens, I'm in.
It break to. It's a break. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. I'm gonna target the 44 level.
Yeah, I like the risk. If I get the inverse and I'm long, I like the risk. Where my stop loss would be.
Yeah, I'm down $114. It really needs to like wick up right now and just kind of go me off.
So that's what it will look like if
Love
I get
to.
what I get. If I get what I want, I mean.
Go up. Push up. Push up. Hurry up. Push up. Push up.
Wait, what are you talking about? You have an order at 309. Oh, 30? 30 is what you meant. Okay, I get it. I see it.
To where every time I hop into something, it just like stalls on me. So that stalling bullshit phase.
I think we can get past the way it's looking like. Buyers are really stepping up on the book map here on the left side.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down $60. I'm hoping that I could just make 1,000 and get out. Okay, nice. I'm up $30. What would my target level be? 44? 40, 44.
I think VWAP, you should be most of your position out just because the way it's been respecting it.
Oh, 58 then? I could target that.
Yeah, mine for me it's 59.
Okay. All right, well, I mean, I'm in. Do this. Really push up now.
Okay, I'm gonna see about a short. If I'm still looking for longs, but if this fails completely, I'm gonna have a sell stop right there. I'll be in a short if this 15-minute candle flips red. But if I get the inverse that I'm looking for and I'm long, I'm gonna cancel it. Because so far this imbalance looks like it's really respecting it. So let's see what happens. And if I get my long entry, I'm just gonna move my sell stop up to where my stop loss is gonna be. For the long skis.
Buyers stepping up.
Yeah, they're still going up, but they're not getting rewarded. That's the thing. But it can go both ways though. I'm not gonna lie to you, just because the two main levels that I was looking for to get swept are swept. But this 1 minute imbalance is really holding it down.
Yeah, it's pissing me off.
And there's still that hot level of 4,010. So that's gonna be my target if I get short.
Jesus fucking Christ. No, it's done.
Not a girl should be getting filled right now. To his longs. So let's see what happens.
Just,
My worst case scenario is I get filled, but it's just to fill these orders that are down here. Oh shit. And then it'll push up. That's my worst case scenario. What the fuck? Hang on. Right there. That's my worst case scenario.
hate how slow this moves. Push up.
But yeah, if I get my entry, I'm aiming for this hot ass level. 4,000.
What, 40, 40, 10?
Yeah, 40-10. or 4,000, the psychological level.
I was just stalling here.
Nadagor, you in?
Fucking A, dude. Push up, hurry up, push up, and break through that 435.2. Needs to push above the 20 EMA. Yep, keep pushing up, hurry up. I don't have time. Nice, 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 nice. These buyers look like they really want to push it up.
Yeah.
Once it blasts through the 20 EMA, it's going to shoot up. And then I'm going to close 1,500 out for the day. And booyah, grandma. So if I made 700 today, do I still need, is 1,500 my max that I need to make? Or can I just pass the test today?
When you started today, what was your account at?
No, so it was at like 49.2.
Yeah, as long as you don't make $1,500 in a day, yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm up $36. Let's shoot it up, baby. I'm in for 6
Already?
micros. $24, 18. Do I get out here? No. Really need this to shoot up. So that way I'll have my mark right here at 1,400. Nice, up 60. Counts at 51,016, up $72. Guys, remember this account was literally at 49.2. That's at
That's crazy.
nice. $78, 102, 126. Oh, we just needed that push up, that clear push up. We're above the 20 EMA. Now we need a nice push up. There we go.
Play that song. Push it up. Pump it up, I mean.
Pump it up. Da, 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 pump it up. I'm going to share my screen with you guys over here. Let me know if you can see my Top Step screen. Let me know if you can see my Top Step screen. Please type in the comments if you can see my Top Step screen. Pump it up, baby. Party in here. Woo!
Let me look at your thing.
What? Are you seeing this ice bag?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching this.
Oh no, I will not be fucking losing money off this shit. Are you fucking kidding me?
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Let's go.
Dude, no, I don't do this fucking.
This is the song.
Come on, baby, dance with me. Let's get it.
I'm looking for this candle closure. If I
Late
don't get
night
it, I'm not
session
in.
with Dr. Cruz. Oh yeah, feeling it, baby. Give it to me. pumping down, not pumping up. Yeah. I need some dumbbells in here so I can do my curls. Oh yeah.
Bro, lousy. What happened, bro? I didn't get a cannon closure. I'm not in yet. Dude, lousy, bro. What?
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it
Guys,
up.
I'm literally
You
doing some
got to
push-ups.
pump it up.
Give it to me, baby. Come on. Pump it up, pump it up. Who's in this with me? Who's in this with me? I got the Adderall next to me if you guys really, really want to pump it up. This is a chemo there. Next to Sandy who held that one. Let's go. All right, that's done. Allah Habibi, fucking pump it up for real.
Is Habibi like bro?
Oh, Habibi means my lover, bro, best friend. I mean, dude, Habibi has so many terms for it. Depends on what context.
Yeah.
Means my lover. If you're talking to your girlfriend, wife. If you're talking, bro, like Habibi, where you at? You know, like, bro, where you at?
Okay.
Habibi,
I'm gonna start saying that.
Habibi,
Habibi.
yeah, Habibi, Habibi Akubs.
Habibi Koobs.
Yep. All right, so it is kind of following that trend line. We are in this trend line. If we could stay here. Take a stab at this ice bag. 1 micro.
I gotta get that.
There
cannon
we
closure.
go. There we go. I'd like it'd be a miracle to make this 1300 like this session.
I could see it playing out. I mean, it tapped into a 4-hour fair value. I could see it playing out for sure. The main levels that I had in mind got swept, so I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay, let's see. We really actually like we really need to break the 38. If we break the 38, this is khalas. Khalas in Arabic means like it's done, it's flying. It's
Halas?
flying. Khalas, like it's done.
Yeah.
Khalas means done. We're flying. You fuck. Come.
Cool. You in this? You in this long too?
Oh, but now that I know Dr. Erica is a pharmacist, now any medication that I have questions on, I can ask her about.
She can prescribe profits.
So there's like I have a lot of meds. If I want, I could take them, but I don't. I got some nice Oxycontin, Adderall, sort of muscle relaxants. But what I really need from Dr. Eric is the steroids. That's what I need. Roids.
The roids. I'm a doctor too.
I feel like I've been in this trade for such a long time. Don't break out of this channel. No, no. Go back up. I command you to go back up right now. You shall go back up and pay Dr. Koobs. Bismillah, go up. Anjad, Bismillah. We're going to start playing the Quran in here for this to go up. Oh, awful. Yeah, good. I really like, honestly, I don't want it to be breaking out of this channel, and it's doing that. And you guys, for options, your contracts wouldn't be moving, and futures, these are big moves right here.
Yeah, you can make a lot. I mean, lousy knows. Big cones. Big cons. Okay, let's see what this 15-minute looks like. Uh-oh. Triangle breakout on NQ skis. That level I marked out earlier, it's still there.
Are buyers stepping up?
On NQ, yeah.
No, on gold.
Yeah, they're still up there. They're still there.
Well, tell them to fucking hurry up because I need to get paid, bro. Oh my god, Ilan Sharafik. Come on. Ilan Sharafik.
Wow.
Ilan.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no.
Oh
We're not
my
doing this.
gosh. Okay, so now it's making me think, okay, let's see. We see if I get tagged in, what if it quickly goes down here and then whips back up? Just based off that, whatever that was. So hopefully that doesn't happen to me.
I don't like how this is.
We just got hot
Shoot up,
above. If you're
shoot
looking
up.
at the book map here with me, it got hot right above here. Hot.
Where should I keep? I don't want to lose that much on this. I'm not looking at the bookmark. I'm just looking at my screens because there's only so much. Where's this hot level above?
It just got pulled. So there's still a chance he can go up. Buyers are still stepping up. So there's still a chance. You still have a chance.
Woo.
Top of the hour right
Like,
now. In a few minutes.
I get out at break even if it goes to break even or stay in it.
If it breaks 4,038 and 6, it's worth going break even there. I mean, it's up to you though, but if I get this displacement above and it inverses this imbalance, I'm going long. But if this just fails completely, Because so far it's failing. The 15-minute is failing and break this high. It has yet to do that. So to me, that's saying there's buyers, but there's not much strength. But that can switch at any time. And if it fails and goes lower, I'm in. Let's see. Unless we both get faked out on both sides.
Yalla, yalla, hurry up. Yalla, yalla, fucking push it up already. Jesus, this is acting like a fucking IWM turtle. Come on, dude. Guys, you have no idea how many tablets and laptops I have fucking broken. That's what I said. It. This MacBook is on the line. Yalla, habibi. Keep going. Yalla, yalla, push. Yalla.
Let's go,
Yalla,
let's go, let's go,
buyers.
baby. It's about to cross 500 on
Stop acting like
buyers.
fucking pussies and actually fucking push the price up. Where's the fucking bulls at? Everybody wants to be a bull, but doesn't have balls of steel. Come on, hurry up. How long have I been in this trade for, Icebag?
I want to say like 10 minutes now. 10 long
10
minutes.
minutes? Feels like an hour, to be
I know,
honest.
yep.
Out. Deal with this fuckery. Let it come back down. Now I got out. Now it's gonna shoot up. So let's see.
Woos, by the way, yeah, I know you were asking me about continuations. If it doesn't fair value, inverse, sorry. This is a perfect example.
So Icebag, I got out just because I'm not liking this. If I can get in down here again, I will.
Yeah.
But watch it now. Now that I got out, it's gonna go up. And if it does, you guys are gonna hear some nasty foul language out of this mouth. You fucking bitch. You fucking bitch. That candle better be coming down. You fucking bitch. You better come down. Oops, can you see if someone just got in cartel like a bloody... I didn't understand that.
No,
I don't know
there's
what he's
two
saying.
separate two separate questions is what those are. New hours about to start.
It's fake, but you like how I got out of that? I was like, whatever, I'm not gonna be red.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I was like, whatever.
Sometimes
Like there's no point for me to be in that position and risk $200, $300. I know this is a combine and I should be passing this quickly, but like there's just no reason. Like sometimes in a trade you don't need to be in a trade, and that was the prime example right there, guys. Like up, down, up, down, up, down. By the way, Musa, how the fuck are you down $900 off that trade?
Yeah, after you see a solid push, sometimes you don't need to let them turn into losers.
Just wait, Coobs, you're impatient. Well, no. It's not that I'm impatient. Guys, you have to look. If I'm down here, I'm risking $200, $300 and I could wick down. That's not that's not worth it to me, because now I'm looking at this wick down right here for 26 level. Yeah, sometimes I am impatient, but even to me, this like right now is a consolidation. So if we take out this right here, I was literally wanted this move to go up, but since I saw that it keeps rejecting and it's making right here's our high, lower high, and now we couldn't even fail to break above. That means to me what this actually really looks like is we did this. Is we're doing this bam, 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 and then that's what that looks like to me when I see it, to be honest.
Buyers are still there, but they cannot get the move that they want. Not a girl. Where's your entry? Not a girl.
Well, no, 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 no.
Ooh, let's see if I get in right here. Okay, I'm in. 8-point stop.
You
Let's
in
see
the
where that's at.
shorts?
Yeah, short skis. Let's see though. Top of the hour, it could be. that
Should we
could
do
be-
should we do a social experiment? You're in shorts, I'm in longs. Okay, yeah, shorts may be the play.
There, I'm in. Stop loss is set. I'm risking $80 on this move. My target is right now, as far as the book map, 4,020. Final TP would be 4,010. But let's see. Top of the hour volatility. But I was saying earlier that they could get their longs. My worst case scenario is that it sweeps this out, gets those orders, and then it continues to move up. That's what I see happening if I just get smoked on this.
What was your entry point?
4,028 and 7.
How much are you up?
$54 at $100. If I can get $100 in profit, I'm going break even. Or I might as well at 1-to-1 actually, at 1-to-1. So
Yeah,
when
bro,
I'm in-
now it's moving. Wow, I literally just drew out the scenario for you guys like 2 seconds ago, and now, oh my god. Wow, 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 wow.
if I'm $80 in profit, I'm going break even. That's 1-to-1 risk to reward right there. So that would be. If
Why
my
is the price action moving so fast now?
top of the hour volatility. So for me, that's 4,020 and 7. 4,020 and 7.
At that 3997, I kind of want to go long, to be honest.
That's my break even point right there. Break even right
Where
there.
at 20?
20 and 7.
It's gonna dump more. I'm back. My bad. I was making dinner. Market tanked. LOL. Did you get stopped out? Did I follow the short? I'd kind of wait.
Almost at my break even. How much are out at the top of this, dude? Like again, you see a solid push. There's no reason for you to let it just
Wait,
go all the way back up. This is a solid move in one singular candle. So I'm de-risking here.
wait, not a girl. You're already in. How are you in? How many minis or whatever? I'm in plus 400, plus 150.
In one single candle, this dropped almost 10 points. So for you to let that go all the way back up to your stop is diabolical.
I don't want to long it here and just play that 436 rejection level then. Shit, I'm dead.
Yeah. So I think longs would not be a bad idea because it did what I just figured it would do. Sweep this right here, grab those orders,
Yep.
and now it's about to flip.
Should I long it now or wait for it to come down a little bit?
I mean, I'm still short as long as I'm still in this position.
Yeah, it literally wicked off right at my trending line points, by the way, at that black line. That's crazy how the TA is just fucking accurate and I should just be fucking using it. Like it's gonna come down and retest it.
Boy, bro, again by one tick. What are the odds? What are the odds? We just
What
don't
happened?
know.
I exit. I don't like why the market crash. I'm reversing here. I'm in longs already. Damn, bro.
By one tick, skis. But yeah, this is a perfect example. It's a prime example of why you manage while you're in a freaking trade. Because of that. In one
What happened
single
in Koi?
candle, it dropped 10 and now it's reversing all the way. So for you to see how well in profit you are and let it go all the way back up here, not worth it. If it flips right there, that's my stop. That's my stop right there. Yeah, that wick is nasty, lousy. Is it nasty? But it's top of the hour volatility. I saw. I mean, if you rewind the stream, what I figured would happen.
I think it's gonna get up to that 36 level. Let's see. What do you mean? Oops, caps, not a girl. I didn't understand that. time for you right now. Where's my
What happens? See what I come back to. Hey, yo, I'm still in this? Oh, here we go.
You're still in it?
Yeah. I think I'm getting stuffed out right here.
Ice Big, I don't know what that means. You're down 300, up 260, and then your profit. Is this off 2 minis?
What are you talking about?
Thinking about long in here.
Yeah, this could be a potential long setup if I get stopped out here. But as long as I'm still in this position, my mind is set on this short to 4,010. What are you talking about? Those what you were just saying?
Those lines would not a girl show me. I'm kind of confused.
Oh,
I set up right.
he is
Oh,
currently up 260, but
okay.
his stop loss is 300. His TP is 2100,
Okay. Yeah, I see.
and then the limit sell is just to get out of one.
Limit sell, he gets out of one con
Yeah,
at that point.
scaling out.
You know, based on the T, I think this is gonna wick up.
Mm-hmm.
If it comes back down, I'm gonna enter a long, but please don't be.
Okay, let's see. Just take me out already, damn. If you're gonna go, just take me out now, bruh.
All right, I'm in. Let's see.
Get me out of the position, bro. Okay, let's see where I would enter.
Holy shit. What I wanted.
Oh. If you're gonna take me out, bro. Come on. If not, just go down.
What's your stop loss at?
4,030 and 4.
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm out. Well, we saw a good amount in profit. Yeah, the 15-minute is nasty. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go long. See if it doesn't do that when I enter. If this closes green, the break of this candle high on the next one is my entry.
Mhm.
But it didn't do it, so I'm hands off for now.
I don't get this. Do not understand this 1 second. Every time I get in, it doesn't shoot up. Shoot up. Okay, green light got candle. And sellers are just fighting here too much.
No way that it sells off now. Okay, I mean,
What?
no way that the sellers just pop in out of nowhere and just sell this off. Okay, now that I'm out, I'm probably gonna join you guys here.
Nice. Come on, keep pushing. Nice, nice, nice. Push, push, push. Push, push. Push. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Nice, up $216.
Let's go.
300, 288,
Let's go.
324. Can we actually ride this up? Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. One more push up, one more push up. Don't act like a bitch. One more push up. Nice. Nice. Keep going. Can you guys see my screen?
A close above here right now. If I get it, I'm in. I'm in a long skis.
You're in longs.
Not yet. Not yet. I'm not in it yet. If I get a close above
Push up, push up, push up,
this
push up, push up, push up,
fair
push
value.
up, push up. Push up, push up. One more push. You can do it.
I don't even know. I didn't even see how much I lost on that short. Here we go. Okay, I'm long. Okay, let's see about the stop loss. 40.33 1. 8 points. Risking $80 on this. 4,025. Okay, let's see. And then I'll consider getting out at a VWAP because that's or hold or just go break even at VWAP. We'll see.
All the way.
Okay, inversed. That's the setup. That's the setup that I'm always constantly talking about.
Oh God, come on. Did not take any
my God.
profit. I want to push up more.
Buy stop. I'm gonna add into this if it flips green.
Dude, this is the fuckery that I'm talking about.
Oh. Are we gonna see 4,020? 10, I mean?
Wicks on this are just nasty.
We need the song.
Right. We can 34, let's see. Our buyer stepping up.
Yeah, they're still there.
All right, let this ride out. Back to in the green now.
I know. As soon as I entered, you guys have been yelling about these longs, and as soon as I entered, it's funny.
Right when Ice Bag enters, I got fucked.
No, the reason why it keeps going up and down is
All
'cause he
right, it's
keeps
going back up.
selling
It's
and
going back up.
re-entering. He keeps selling, entering.
It's going back up. One nice leg up. Push up. Push up and don't be a bitch.
Okay, I'm gonna add. It's gonna add into this position if we get the break of 33 and 5. And then I'm gonna have my risk pretty tight on that.
The wicks on this are just absolutely nasty.
And then same thing, when I'm $80 in profit or $100, I'm gonna go break even. I might just let this thing ride all night, see where I end up.
Why don't you want to push up? You are such. Are you guys looking at my screen? Nice.
Okay, here we go.
Nice. Now I just want a final push. I've literally been patient. Let it rip, baby. Going. Keep going. Keep going. And this wants to jump up. It wants to jump up. Really stepping up.
They're still up there, same number, but
Last push up. I'm just so surprised, like, why Wolves don't want to break it.
I think we got it. I think it's gonna push. Especially just after that recovery, and it's closing and holding above the zone that I have drawn out. If it fails and it really just dumps the way I wanted it to in the first place, yeah, I'm done. I'll be done for the night. Here we go. Let's go. Please. Habibi, come on.
Habibi, welcome to Top Step, where you lose thousands of dollars.
As soon as you enter.
Exactly. It doesn't even want to get to the 34 level or 36, 37, or 40, which is just, to me, is just shocking. Like it does not, like, I'm gonna share this tab instead. Guys, it does not even want to break out of this purple box. I swear this purple box is just acting like a resistance for it. It does not want to shoot up. Shoot up. Like, fucking do it, dude.
I'm officially in 2 cons. 25, 2.
Like, are you guys looking at my screen here? Are you guys looking at this? It does not want to shoot out of this purple box that I've drawn for you guys. Shoot up. Break out of this purple box, damn it. How much are you up, Ice Bag?
I was up $5. Now I'm down 4.
Allah Habibi, hurry up. People want to get to bed here. Break out of this purple box. Once it breaks out of this purple box, we're golden. Breaking out of the purple box. It's nice. Now we just need to break this. 34.9. 34.9, guys. 34.9 and we're in the clear. 34.9 and we're in the clear. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, go. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. You can do it. You could do it, baby.
Okay, more buyers stepped in now. Finally an increase.
You can do it. Allah. And does not want to break this level for the life of it. Break it. Break it. Break it, you bitch. Break it. Yes, go. Just fucking yalla. Give it to Daddy Coobs. $312. Not bad. A little too earlier.
Nah, I can't ignore that 40,010. So I think my full TP is gonna be VWAP.
Yeah, bro. You guys can see my screen, right? Once we close above EMA, nice. I'm up $402. Sharing my Top Step screen with you guys. I've stayed patient because you guys say I'm not patient enough. Staying patient for you guys. But now it's rejecting off that 20 EMA. We really need now to crush. We really need to crush 36.3. 36.3 is what we really need to crush. 36.3. 36.3. 36.3. Are we going to get it? Type in the comments below if we are going to get it. Type in the comments if you're in this trade with us. Type in the comments if you've been following me. Type in the comments. No reason why you shouldn't be passing your funded accounts with us and getting a payout by next Friday, hopefully. Type in the comments. Type in the comments. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think this has been a wonderful opportunity. Let's go, baby. Give me that push to $1,000. Will be good. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. We need a push and close above the 20 EMA, and we just nicked it above. Nice. 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 Are you guys following this? Are you guys
Hell
following
yeah.
this? Oh, we need that nice push above. $426. Let's go.
Just give me my money.
Give me my money. Ooh. Gonna so we broke above. Oh man, the patience, the patience. Oh no, no. Going back in that box, I don't like that. I don't like at all. Still in this. Still in this.
Here we go. It's picking up again.
There we go. That's what patience. Come on, let's break it, Jimmy. Nice. Just get me to 46. Just give me that God green light candle, baby. I like how it's holding. I like how it's holding. Our first TP can be 47, 54.
Where's Not a Girl? He left in the middle of a long trade.
Oh, it's going like this, up, up, and then we'll get here. When we get to 36, I think we can, because that wick that it wants to push up.
Oh, you know what? We still have that. We still have that bearish Fair Valley gap we were rejecting quite a bit earlier. When you guys first went long. It's doing the
Oh
same.
yeah, you're right. I didn't even realize that.
He needs to get past that still, which is struggling again.
Yeah, 38. So we got past this level, barely nicked it, but yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Okay, well, if we
Are the
get it
buyers
close
still in
above,
control?
yeah, they are. If we get close above, I'm going break even. I mean, I want to go to bed.
Yeah.
It looks like it was just a re-entry opportunity for a short.
Go box again. It's too much. Close below the $389. So I need to make 1,200 in York session. It's maybe gonna go back to 422 level.
So our stop losses.
Yep. I think I got out. At least I got something out of it.
Yeah, this is nuts.
It
Look
up
at
with
that.
$389 a session. What?
That was just a short opportunity, and
That's still up. How much money did you make tonight this session?
Just the one from earlier, the 130.
And
The
this one
short,
you broke even?
yeah. With this one, it's just gonna be break even on the day. The other one was just I didn't even see how much I lost, but it wasn't that much because I de-risked.
Dang, it's late, Coops.
That was basically a break even, and now this one.
What the fuck is this, man? He said he was sleeping this straight out. If we get a run, I'm throwing in more cons. Need to recover those losses. In all the comments, I'm gonna let this trade right out and sleep. Yeah, it is late. It's
Yeah,
very-
it is. I'm
But-
tired.
I'll back up. Obviously, when I get. I made $389 this session. Not stressing out. Good management. What's that on the left? That's Bookmap.
Yeah, that's Bookmaster order flow. Order flow. Adding it to the just to oh shit, confluences. I'm still happy with this entry. I'm just gonna let it TP or stop loss. I'm happy with where I have my entry at.
For longs.
Mm-hmm. I'm still in it. I'm just gonna let it ride. Because if we do get a break, if we break this imbalance that we've been rejecting, this is already I don't even know how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth time is trying it now. So
You know, I've never done this. Should I just go like 1 micro and just go to sleep, see if it rides out, and put my take profit at like 43, or where would you do it? 61?
61, like your stop loss.
Still like my take profit.
For me, it's gonna be 455 at the VWAP.
So would you just go like 1 micro and just go to sleep?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Right now, I'm in two. I'm in 2 micros, and I'm risking everything I made today. So I'll just be flat on the day by New York. So we'll see how New York looks too.
And this account has literally come back from the dead. Pretty impressive.
I mean, I'm happy.
Literally
'Cause,
impressive.
it swept out those levels that I was looking forward to. I missed out on them. It just kept going. It just didn't give an opportunity for me unless I just sold and closed my eyes. But it just went on and on and on. And, put in this low. It was this initial run. And then it came back down, swept it, and it closed back above right there. And now I got to believe that the real move's going to happen. But if I'm wrong on that, then my original short that I was in, that I couldn't just get a piece of that. I missed out on the one where Erica came in and was like, yeah, I shorted that. And then I was in this short and I was well in profit, but now it came all the way back up. So let's see what it does, if it's going to come all the way back down or if we are going to get these longs.
Fuck, instead of mini, I bought gold. Well, fuck me. Good night, I guess.
No way.
What does he mean? I didn't understand what he said.
He bought 1 mini gold instead of 1 micro. Damn, bro. Yeah.
Oh shit. Did you make bank at least on it or no, Koi?
Two cons. Yeah, that's a lot.
How much did you lose? Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, and then among everything else of like the setup that I'm looking for to even get in these longs, the book map, the buyers have just been there. They haven't gone anywhere. But you guys can see on this book map, 4010 is a hot level. So let's see if I should have just stuck to my. Let's see if I just should have just stuck to my shorts, or we get this push that I kept hearing this whole
Coulda,
time.
woulda, coulda.
Because if I just kept the shorts, damn, this entry up here at in the 4030s would have been prime. That would have been a good ass entry.
Yeah, it's making lower high, and then it will go up to 40. Another lower high. So we're in this downtrend. Well, I'm gonna hit the sack because I gotta be up early in the morning.
Yeah, I'm getting off here. It looks like it's gonna hit stop loss, but we'll see. We're still at that support zone, so there's still a good
Yeah.
chance. This, if anything, the one thing I can see happening here is that this is gonna be a higher low from that. So we got this low that
Yeah, but
swept
if
these orders, and then higher low, and I can see it push up. I still see it, but let's see what happens.
maybe I'll leave one micro long on.
Yeah, I still see it happening. So let's see what happens. What I wake up to, and yeah. Let's let's see if we can catch a 5,000 or 10,000 or 1,000,000% play on New York today.
Oh, Ice Bag, dumb question. So I open up a position, I can leave it open till New York, right?
Yeah, if your stop loss is wide enough to like let it breathe in case something happens, yeah, you're good until market close later today.
Dude, that's so crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. So like I think okay, look, so I think like NQ. Oh shit, NQ. There she goes. That's the short I wanted earlier, Coops. Look at NQ.
Yeah, I just pulled it up. Damn.
But anyway, this is off gold. It's at this bearish, no, not bearish, it's bullish fair value. Is where it's finding its support, and I think we have a good chance of possibly testing the 4060s if this runs
For gold?
all day. Yep, if it runs all day though, we'll see. We still
Mhm.
got to get past some bearish fair values, but
Yeah.
so we could tap into it and then just completely reject. Yeah, no theta, dude. That's the cool thing of why I love futures. Like you can do all this shit, no theta burn, none of that.
Yeah, bro, no theta. That's fucked me. so many times holding cons.
This right here alone would have burned your premiums. This chop. But yeah, these are my entries right here. 40, 33 with an 8-point stop loss. The stop loss is still under that zone, so if my stop loss hits, then it's for sure invalidating it for me. Buyers are really stepping up. We're at 600 now, but we're not moving just yet.
For gold?
Yeah. We're still not moving. Like, they're not getting rewarded. That's the thing. They're not getting what they want.
What do you mean when you say they're not getting rewarded? Like, why are they not getting rewarded? Is it because the sellers are still stepping in?
So they're just getting absorbed. So sellers are not, buyers are stepping up, but the ones that are getting what they want are the sellers. So that shows that it's going to be, it could just completely drop at any moment, which I think it is, dude. Yeah, you see this?
Yeah,
It's
I
at
mean, even the algo
604.
says right now it's a 2-star sell. Yep.
If you guys are looking at this book map, it was going up, but we're not getting a push up.
Yep, it's coming down.
But then these things keep coming up, and it's like they're getting absorbed.
I mean, dude, but the buyers and sellers, I mean, even on the top step, whatever, it's even out like, 4-4, 2-2, 3-3.
Yeah.
So they're battling it out, but the sellers keep
Here we go. This could be it now.
what for dumping?
Buyers, yeah. If you're looking at the book map, you can see that they're stepping up, like pushing the price up now. But like I said, it's hard to ignore this 4,010 level.
Yeah.
And the last thing I want to do is wake up and realize that I should have just stayed in my shorts. You guys see that? 4,010, 153 sells. But again, just like anything, just use it as confluence, and it's just because you see it there doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get to it. Because if I was just falling in love with this, just the fact that I see this, I would probably be trying to short it, and then I'm getting caught in this little pump right here and getting cooked. But so yeah, let's see what happens. But I'm gonna hop off, guys. I'm gonna hop off.
All right. That's good.
Good.
Good night, bro. Mingos.
Yeah, dude. Heck
I'll
yeah,
see you in
man.
the morning. Hi, babies. Ice Bag, wake up in the morning with us, okay?
Yeah, I will.
All right. I'll see you 8:30 Central Time.
All right, bet. All right, see you guys. See you.
Bye.